Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create AI posters and flyers using the Ideogram. Let's get started. First, launch the Ideogram app on your phone and log into your Google account or sign it up. Then here, type a descriptive prompt. Use a clear and specific language for a poster or a flyer, like this example here. A modern poster for a music festival with neon lights and bold typography, and include these prompts for a better result, like for example, the theme, the style, the colors, formats, and text. You can also add a text with spacing or typographic design to help the AI create a readable titles. Then use negative prompts, and this is optional. To avoid unwanted features, you can include no watermark, no blurry text, no background clutter, and tap generate button and wait for the AI to produce your poster or flyer. And once it provide the result, tap on your favorite result and download and share. Just click the three dots and choose download to save it to your phone. And you can now post it in social media and print or edit it using Canva or Photoshop. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.